Okay, let me do another approach to the problem. Okay, okay. I want to find the partial fractions of x plus 4 times x minus 3. Of course, that is equal to a over x plus 4 plus b over x minus 3. Now, to solve for a, simply, okay, simply type 1 over, cover up this x plus 4 and x plus 4 remains is x minus 3, and then calc the value that will make this 0, which is negative 4. So the answer is, this is negative 1 over 7. Okay, and then I will cover x minus 3 now. So here I will cover x minus 3, and then I will have what? I will have, okay, I will have x plus 4, and I will substitute a value that will make this 0, so that is 3. So the answer there is 1 over 7. So this is another approach to the problem. Okay, similarly for the other problem, x plus 2 over x minus 3 times x minus 7. Okay, again this is equal to a over x minus 3 plus b over x minus 7. So in order for me to solve for a, I will just cover x minus 3 and x minus 3, and then I will just enter, okay, x plus 2 over x minus 7, and then calc what will make this 0, x minus 3, that is positive 3. Okay, by the way, this should be x plus 3. Be x plus 3, so this is calc of negative 3. Okay, make it 0, this is negative 3, so the result is 1 over 10. So this is 1 over 10, and to solve for b, then cover x minus 7 there, so what results is what? X plus 2 over, this becomes what? Okay, this becomes okay, this is x plus 3, okay, plus 3, and then calc the one that will make this 0 is 7, so the answer is 9 over 10. The answer is 9 over 10. Alright, this is the same result that we had, okay, in our previous discussion.